cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today is a Sunday night. I'm thinking to make something simple for my family and also my wife's friends coming over for dinner. I have some pre-cooked rice here. I have some lap cheong. Yeah, Chinese New Year, a lot of lap cheong. Do you know how to remove the skins of the lap cheong? Now, personally, for Appa, I don't mind eating together with the lap cheong skin because the skin is basically the intestines of the pork. But some people don't like it, like my wife, they all don't like it. So, very easy to remove it. Actually, just soak the lap cheong under water for about 1-2 minutes, then it's very easy to peel it off. Yeah. Then what I did is after you peel off, cut it into small cubes like this, small pieces, and then I will saute it for a bit, yeah, to bring out the flavor. Then this is my wife's favorite, the wu yeah. Wu is what bean? Suddenly forgot. One kind of beans, long bean. Those who know, please remind Appa. Appa is actually quite sick tonight. Actually, I've been sick for a couple of days. Heavy flu. So I also, after cutting into small pieces like this, I also saute it a bit because just to remove the, to make it, Chinese say 断生. 断生 meaning no longer raw. Literally, that's what it meant, yeah? So just saute it for about a minute or two. Then I have some spring onion, 2 free-range egg, and we will need some premium light soy sauce, my cooking appa chicken stock powder, some white pepper, and some salt. First of all, let's give it a little bit of oil. Break the egg and mix them up a bit. Then we can put the egg into the wok. When the egg is still half cooked, this is the time where you can actually put in the rice. I should probably put 3 eggs. The egg today is a bit small, and the rice is quite a lot. Never mind. The lead roll today, the main ingredient today is actually not the egg, it's actually the lap cheong, yeah? If you prefer more eggy flavor, then you just put more egg. Because usually free-range egg, I don't buy the largest ones. I prefer the mediums or maybe the second largest. Right, then tune down the heat. First of all, I'm going to put in some premium light soy sauce. I put it at the side so it has better contact with the hot wok. Yeah, I'm going to put in my cooking appa chicken stock powder, a good teaspoon, some fine salt. Now I can raise the heat to medium high. Once you have mixed everything well together, this is the time where we can actually put in our ingredient, our lap cheong, our beans, I'll leave the spring onion towards the end. Wow, very fragrant right now. Right before serving, I'm going to give it a few dashes of white pepper, spring onion, and some Maggi light soy sauce. This is really pretty good for fried rice. Last few stir and it is done. Oh, very fragrant. Super fragrant. And look at the beautiful color. Right? A very simple lap cheong fried rice is ready to be served. So here's our lap cheong fried rice. I hope you like my very simple lap cheong fried rice tonight. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.